He said, yo, 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 this your boy Joe Chicago, Joe Boy. Right now, if I do that, I got me a stud girlfriend, Improv, and she eat my ass, and I don't want no man. Girl, I got me a stud girlfriend, and she a bad bitch. She take her tongue and put it in my ass. She said, girl, let me put it in your ass. She said, okay, girlfriend, I got me a stud girlfriend. Cause niggas don't know how to handle me. Niggas don't want me. Girl, I'm 300 pounds and everything. I need me a stud girlfriend. Cause she the baddest bitch I ever met. My name is Shalonda. And my stud girlfriend like, yeah, bitch, what you want? This your stud girlfriend, right? Straight out the motherfucking county. Girl, I got me a stud girlfriend. I'm so happy with her. She is the baddest bitch I ever met. She real. You know, this bitch beat my ass and I still love her. I got me a Puerto Rican stud girlfriend. I'm a sus and all, but I know this bitch is bad. This bitch got my back and everything. She eat my pussy and lick my ass so good. She said, oh, girl, you eat my ass better than a nigga. That's right, I'm your stud girlfriend. Girl, I got me a stud girlfriend because niggas don't know how to handle my business. Niggas don't know how to do what they gotta do. That's why I don't fuck with no niggas no more. Because niggas ain't shit. Niggas can't handle Shaw Winner. I ain't trying to find no man. Cause can't no man handle me like a stud girlfriend. My stud girlfriend bad. My stud girl let me cross the bed, lick my ass, ate my pussy, suck my toes. Can't no nigga do that for me. Cause a nigga all he wanna do is just constantly when he stick it and get your ass out my face, nigga. Girl, I got me a stud girlfriend. This bitch is bad. You know, this bitch ate my pussy last night. This bitch ate my pussy so good. This bitch made me scroll out in her face and wanna give me a nigga. I don't want no motherfucking man. That's right, girl. I don't need no motherfucking man. Yeah, babe, you need your motherfucking man to hold you. Nigga, I done tear your motherfucking ass. I don't need your man. I don't want your dick. All I want you to do is show me where your sister at, cause she's a bad bitch. Cause I got me a stud girlfriend and she all that in her bag of shit. I don't want your little dick ass no more. Your little dick ass can't hold me and can't caress me, can't lay me down next to you. That's why I got me a stud. Well, girl, what you see? Oh, you need your motherfucking man. Fuck that stud bitch. Girl, I don't need no motherfucking man. Cause you niggas, all you wanna do is fuck. Don't wanna lay up on me. Okay, you don't wanna get no job. I'm paying your motherfucking rent and your child support. Well, baby, you ain't give me a chance to holler at you. Nigga, I'm not trying to hear that motherfucking excuse from you or nobody else. Nigga, you gotta be like a motherfucking real man. You wanna be out here with your motherfucking boy, spend time, get my quality time with her. You gotta be with your motherfucking girls all the time. You gotta be spend time with me. I guess why I got me a stud girlfriend. Your motherfucking ass don't wanna hang with me. You, nigga, your motherfucking ass don't wanna hang around with you. Do you gotta do with me, nigga. I'm more important than your motherfucking ass, nigga. You gotta spend motherfucking time with me, nigga. I'm important than you, motherfucking nigga, your motherfucking ass, yeah. Motherfucker, I get my motherfucking hair done, my nail done. That's why I got me a stud girlfriend, cause she all of that. She do everything. She handle her bit like a real nigga. That's why your motherfucking nigga. I know she eat my ass and everything, nigga, your little dick ass. Oh, girl, you heard my motherfucking feeling. Got me crying. This bitch bad. That's right, nigga. I ran out with your auntie. She's a bad bitch. This your boy Chicago Joe about his motherfucker. Peace.